Hello students, let us see this question from TIFR. So you have been given a circuit and in the question it is asked that which logic gate is mimicked by the given circuit. Now you see this is the high voltage and this high voltage is coming it's making forward bias to this diode. Now if this A or B is any one of is low. So suppose A is low or B is low. In that condition, what will happen? This power supply will make this diode forward bias. So once this is a forward wire, this circuit gets completed, and now all the voltage will be used here. All the voltage will get dropped here, and this point will be connected to the ground because now this will be forward bias. So now once this is a ground, this circuit gets open, and once this circuit is open, no IB flows, means no IC flows here, and if no IC is there, all high voltage will come here, and once the high voltage is here, okay, this will make bring this transistor to saturation because there is a high voltage here, no current IC here, so this voltage is coming here, so this high voltage here, so there's a high IB, and because of that, that is a very high amount of current flows here, the IC, that is equal to IC saturation, and this diode is saturation. So when this is saturation and all the voltage will drop here, you will get a zero output here. So if anyone is low here, any one of is low is here, then you will get a zero output here. Okay. Now assume and that one is high. This one is high, other is low. Okay, then it's the same case. So if both are low or one is low, then you get zero output here because anyone is low, then this circuit get completed and you get 0 volts. So here high voltage and this saturation. Okay. Now suppose both are high. So when both these are high, then what happens? Then this circuit, this diode become reverse bias. So no current get flow here. Now what will happen? All the voltage will come here. So here will be high voltage. This diode will conduct. Again, high amount of current will flow here. So you get zero output here. And once this zero goes again, 1 0, this is 0. This makes this transistor in the cutoff region. So no IB flowing because zero no IB flowing, no IC flowing. That means all the voltage will come here. So when both are high, you get high output here. If both are low, or one of is low here, you get low output here. So this circuit is basically implementing AND gate. Okay, so this is the correct answer is the AND gate for given question. Thank you very much.